Hello students, how are you all? I know you all are very good and fine. So today we are going to start grammar step 1. Okay, so today date is 28th April 2020. Day is Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday. Subject is English grammar. Chapter 1, the alphabet. The alphabet. So first step is introduction of capital A to Z and introduction of small a to Z. That we all know there are 26 letters in the alphabets. So I want to tell you that there are 26 alphabets in the from A to Z, but there are some consonants and some vowels. So how do we come to know that which are the vowels and which are the consonants? So I want to show you A, capital A and small a, E, I, O, U. Where is U? It's here. So how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels are there. So I have written here 5 vowels. Now how many consonants are there? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These 21 letters are called consonant. These 21 letters are called consonants. Okay. So except these 5 vowels, rest are consonants. So now we come to know that which are the consonant and which are the vowels. So shall we start from the page number 2? So have a look. It's given here capital A, small a, from capital A and small a to Z, capital Z and small z. It is a simple writing. So we call it big letters also, and this one is small letters also. Now this is called the order of the alphabet. How we arrange it in the alphabetical order? See, letters are given here A, E, D, C, B. Now A, B, C, D, E. They have already arranged first one A, B, C, D, E. Like that we can arrange these words. See, G, F, J, I, H are there. Now we have to find out which one will come first. After A, B, C, D, E, F will come. What will come? F. Then G. Then H. Then I. Then J. Like this we can write K. Find from here. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. Now we have arranged all this. Now vowels and consonants, same which I have explained you here. It is given here. P, N and CP is there. 2 letters has given over here, but no meaning of this, because without vowels, words do not have any meaning. So if we want to make a sensible or proper meaning words, we must add vowel in the consonant. So we have to add here E. So it become P-E-N, pen. Now it is meaningful word, pen. Like that. CP, C-A-P. We add the A in between 2 letters, C and P. C-A-P, cap. It is cap. We know we wear it on the hat. Now like that only. P-N, we add I over here. P-I-N. It become P-I-N, pen. T-P, we add here O, vowel O. It become T-O-P, top. You know this. Pin, top. C-P, C-U-P, cup. We added here U. That is the vowel. C-U-P, cup. Now, come on this page. Vowels we know now. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels are there. And consonants we know. 21 consonants are there. Now this is your homework. You have to circle the vowel in these words. One has been done for us. M-A-N. Vowel is A. So they have circled A. Now we have to circle in rest of the words. T-W-O is there. So we can add, we can circle to O. Okay. Like that only you have to do it in homework. Now this is the part where you have to find the small and capital letters, and you have to color the capital letters in green color and small letter in red colors. Which are the small letters? E, D, R, J. This 1, 2, 3, 4 letters are in small letter, so you have to color it in red color. Now come here. Arrange the words below in the order of the alphabet. One has been done for us. Now MAT mat, CAT cat, SAT sat, FAT fat, BAT bat. Now we have to understand which letter will come first. In this, we have to find BAT bat. Yeah, A is not there. No word has been formed with the A. But BAT bat, it is formed with B. So we have to take first B. So they have taken BAT bat. Number 2, what is there? B, after B, C will come. After B, what will come? C. So CAT cat. Number 2, they have written CAT cat. Now after CAT cat, D, E, F. Yeah, F will come. D, E, F. C. FAT fat is there. So they have written in the on the number 3. Now F. G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Yes, M is there. MAT mat. Now last is SAT set. How? M. N, O, P, Q, R, S. S will come after M in the alphabetical order. Now SAT sat. Like that I have done one more. PEN pen, den, HEN hand, TN 10, MEN is there. So I have arranged it already. First D will come first. I have put it here. After D, E, F, G, H. H is there. HEN hand. So number 2 is HEN hand. I, J, K, L, M, N. M is there. Number 3. Now N, O, P. PEN pen. 4 is there. Now number 5 is TEN 10. Why? Because after P, Q, R, S, T. Okay. So I have written it in last. Now these 3 you have to do in homework. Okay. Now I know all the students can do this matchups. So I'm leaving this for you. This is also your homework. Only I'm going to match one A4 and rest of the you will match. Now here like that only same vowels you have to add. HAT hat, BAT bat, PIN pin, BED bat, HUT hut. Okay, you have to add vowels. Now your capital letter and small letters are there. You have to match it. Okay, so this is also your homework. Now you have to write capital and small letter. See, A, capital A, small A for ant. Like that. Capital G, small g. G for goat. E for elephant, capital and small. C for cat, capital and small. Like that. F for fish, small and small and capital and small. Now H for horse, capital and small. Okay. Now this is also your homework. This is interesting thing for you. I know. See, look at this picture of the different parts of a house. Color the picture. Choose word from the help box and label the parts of the houses. You have to label the parts of the houses. Is this bathroom? Then you have to write here bathroom. If it is kitchen, then you have to write here kitchen. Like this you have to label the names of parts of the houses and color it beautifully. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. And one